You guys know I like spicy food, right? So I'm gonna make some jalapeno popper stuffed pork chops. So I think this recipe is gonna be a lot of fun, so stay with me. We're gonna start today by mixing up the jalapeno popper stuffing. So we're gonna use some cream cheese. And I think I have a little bit too much, so I'm gonna use about 3/4 of this package. If I can put that in there. And then we have about, I don't know, a cup of cheddar cheese. It's already shredded. And then there is 3 strips of bacon, because Jeff likes bacon. Okay. And then maybe about 2 tablespoons of green onion. Maybe. And then 2 jalapenos. You can use, as many as you like in here, but we have 2. Okay. All right. I'm just going to get this all mixed up together, and then we'll be right back with you. We got 2 center cut pork chops here, and they're over 1 inch thick. They weigh 1.3 pounds each. These are going to be perfect for stuffing. All right, so we got to get these guys cut to stuff them. So I'm just going to put the knife in, and I'm going to just go right across and make a pocket. All the way through. So you don't want to cut all the way through it. You just want to cut to the bone. So you have this nice pocket. I got my jalapeno popper stuffing. I'm going to get this guy stuffed up. So let's get that in there. So I used about half of the stuffing. Now I just want to secure this so it doesn't come out when we're smoking. We're going to use some toothpicks here. Keep this guy together. All right. Okay. Yeah. Looks pretty good. So one final thing before I take them to the smoker, I need to get these guys seasoned up. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this duck fat. And you got to shake this can pretty good or it won't shake out. So, all right. And you can use other things for your binder if you want. I mean, I like duck fat, but you can use, if you'd rather, you can use olive oil. You can use mayonnaise. There's lots of different things you can use. So use whatever you like. I just happen to like this duck fat. I'm going to be using this Reb My Hiney Kona Coffee seasoning today. This one is pretty tasty. Okay. I'm just going to get both sides of these stuffed pork chops seasoned up with this Reb My Hiney. And then we're going to move over to the Pit Boss. Got the Pit Boss set at 250 degrees today, and we're using hickory pellet. Okay. All right, so we're going to get this lid down, and we're going to let them smoke for about an hour. It's been 1 hour, and our jalapeno popper pork chops are at 113 degrees. We're going to go ahead and let them keep cooking. It's been an hour and a half, and these chops are looking beautiful. We're going to glaze them up with this award-winning Lambert sweet sauce of mine. All right, let's get these guys glazed. They look so pretty. I'm just gonna get both these guys glazed up, and then I'll get the lid back down. It's been about 2.5 hours. These guys are at 145. We're gonna go ahead and get them out. Pork chops are ready to be tasted, so pork chopping. Only because I don't want to have to cut it. Okay, you ready?
What do you need me to do?
I need you to cut it.
Oh.
They look good, huh?
They do. They do look good. Okay. I probably don't want to see my elbow and arm and all that. Ooh, they smell good too. Here's what they look like up close. Alright. Jalapeno popper, huh?
Yep.
There's your.
It should be
Here's yours.
very delicious. Make sure you get lots of insides.
Have you been making cocktails?
Yes, as a matter of fact.
Alright. I got mine.
Why is mine so much bigger than yours?
Because you cooked it, so you get the biggest bite.
Cheers.
Oh, crap. You did good.
It's so good.
And for those of you that want
Blah, blah, blah.
and for those of you that want to know what that tastes like,
It's like heaven.
pork chop is really juicy, and that cream cheese just kept everything like super
Moist and
cream
wonderful.
cheesy.
These are so good.
You do get that little spice from the
Little bit.
jalapeno. I'm getting bacon and pork chop, so
Mhm.
like, you know, you went to heaven.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I've got a couple of stuffed pork chop recipes on YouTube. These are the best ones I ever had.
They're awesome. You need to really try this because these are really good.
They are.
If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell.